Page 89, A-flat reading practice. They give you 5 lines here to give you some practice in reading in the key of A-flat major. On page 88, they introduce you to A-flat major. This would be a good time to go do my scale video on A-flat major. Try and do the 2 octaves up and down. Learn the scale, learn the fingering, and learn the notes. And each hand, do it one hand at a time, and then try putting the hands together. It gets very interesting. But A-flat major only has 4 flats, so we're only going to use 4 of the 5 black keys. Using these. We're not using a G flat. We lost the G flat. It's gone. So we have the B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. So at the top of page 88, you get your finger position in A flat major. Get the primary chords, learn them. Get the scale. If you want to read the music, that's fine. I prefer to focus on the keyboard, so I suggest you use my video on that. And then at the bottom, they give you the inversions and the dominant 7th or the 5/7 and all that. They look ugly. They're not ugly. That's fine. Don't worry about them. Don't let, at the bottom of the page, don't let that 8VA throw you on the 5/7, the dominant 7th part of it, and the left hand, they got an 8VA. You're down here, the notes are written here. You're simply playing an octave higher here. You see, when you get down toward the bottom, the notes, if they're close together, they all get muddy. You can't. So if I play this here, that's where it's written. It sounds like a blob. So if I play it up here, it sounds a little more like a chord. And what they've done is they've written the notes down here to keep them within the staff, but they don't want you playing them down there. They want you playing them up here. That's all they're doing, because the right hand's here. So you're just an octave apart is all it is. I just don't want you to be confused by that 8VA thing. So let's go through these 5 lines and play them together slowly. The first 3 are repeated. We're going to play them twice. You can do the dynamics. You see the F-P. You know what that means, I hope. Do the articulation. It's important. So basically the same stuff, similar stuff we did on the previous reading practice. There's a little difference, but much of it is the same. You already, I hope, have an idea of what's going on here. So the right hand is here, the left hand is here. Let's try this. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, and go, and. Repeat. Rest. Line 2, let's try that. Starting here and here. 1, 2, ready, and go, and. 3 and 4, and. Repeat. 4 and. 4 and off. Third line, we're in 6/8 time here, so an 8th note gets a count. So I'll give us 6 counts. We'll start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 3, 4, 5, rest. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. Now line 4, it's in 6/8 time again. So let's try it out. Just a little more practice of reading in this key. Let's see, the right hand starts here. Left hand's here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3. 6 off. Last line is in 3/4 time, but it has a pickup beat. So I'm going to give us 2 counts. Now watch the articulation here. A nice light finger staccato is fine. No big deal. So you're starting out here, here. Okay. Ready, go.